Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling developer options and turning on wireless debugging on the device. This opens the ADB over Wi-Fi interface. Next, note the device IP and port shown on screen because you'll target that address from your computer. Then capture the pairing code, or QR, immediately. This is the short-lived credential used to authenticate. Once you have IP, port, and the pairing token, you are ready to initiate a secure pairing from your development machine. You run a DB pair with the IP, port shown on your device and type the pairing code when prompted. This establishes a short-term authenticated link. Once paired, run a DB connect IP, port to create the actual ADB session over Wi-Fi. Make sure to allow any prompts on the device to grant debugging permissions. After connecting, use a DB devices to confirm the device is listed as an authorized network target. If listed, you can now deploy, debug, and inspect apps wirelessly. You can now run your usual debug workflow, install APKs, use run configurations, and inspect logs with a DB logcat, just like with a USB cable. For tools needing ports, forward them with a DB forward command so IDEs and debuggers can reach the device. When finished, use a DB disconnect IP, port to close the session. If the wireless link drops, toggle wireless debugging off and on and repair with a fresh code. This resolves most auth or network
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.